So here's how to add a link to an image and add audio to your Bitmoji classroom. I'm going to select piano and forte. That's the picture I want to add a link to. Going over to my safe YouTube, which will have a video about how to do exactly in a second. I'm going to copy that link, go back to my Bitmoji classroom, and then click Insert, Link, paste it, and that's it. It really is not very hard. It's pretty easy. To add audio, it's a little bit more of a hoop. There's more things to do. You do have an extra step. You have to make sure that before you try to add your audio, that the audio is already uploaded to your Bitmoji classroom. So I'm going to click Insert, Audio, My Drive, and now all of the files in My Drive are available. So if I select, let's do a raspa. If I select that, creating the audio. Okay, someone needs to access this file. Share with one person, turn link sharing on, share. Now it's shared. And now we have this little friend that we can drag around and decide where we want it to go. And that's it.